Hello, welcome again to K-Math Lab. Here we make math simple. Today we are going to simplify fractions in subtraction. We have our first example as 7 over 10 minus 1 out of 2. So we go to the denominators. We have 10 and 2, and we look in the multiples of 2 to find if we have 10. Yes, we have 10. If we write down the multiples of 2, we have 10. How many times? We multiply times 5 times 5. Do this on the numerator and on the denominator at the same time. Then we have our new fractions being formed. 7 over 10 will stay the same, but this second fraction will change to 5 out of 10. Now we can add these or subtract the fractions because of the the same denominators that we have. We do not subtract fractions with different denominators. We make sure that the fractions have the same denominators. Now here we can go ahead and subtract 7 minus 5, that is 2, out of 10. Our denominators stay the same. We don't change it always. So this one can be reduced. We go in which multiple can we use to divide both the numbers at the same time? We'll divide by 2, divide by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. That is our fraction in the simplest form. Always when you are dealing with subtraction or addition of fractions, you make sure that your answer is in the simplest form. Let's look at example number 2. We have here a fraction that is a mixed fraction, a mixed number, which is 9 whole numbers, 5 out of 6, and then 7 whole numbers, 7 out of 12. So we are going to subtract this. Now we still look at the denominators. We have 6, we have 12, and in the multiples of 6 we have 12, so we change this to an equivalent fraction, which is 6 times 2, 5 times 2. We do the same thing on the numerator and the denominator. So we form our next equivalent fraction, which is 9 whole numbers, 10 out of 12. Here we do 5 times 2, 10. 6 times 2, 12. Then this second fraction will stay the same. 7 whole numbers, 7 out of 12. Then we subtract here, because now we have the same denominators. 10 minus 7, that is 3 out of 12, and 9 whole numbers minus 7, that is 2. We don't leave our fraction like this. We put it in the simplest form by looking at the number that can divide the 3 and the 12. So in the multiples of 3 we have 12. So we'll divide this number by 3 by 3. So we'll have 2 whole numbers. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. This is our answer in the simplest form. So I want you to go to the comment section and solve for me this number, and please comment with your answer. And in case you want anything to be solved for you, or you have some challenge anywhere, you can post it in the comment section. Thank you.